Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to explore business laws and a comprehensive overview, a framework for commercial transactions. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. Business laws provide the foundation for commercial transactions governing the relationship between businesses, customers, employees, and stakeholders. Understanding these laws is essential for businesses to operate effectively, minimize risks, and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. In this video, we will explore the key concepts and principles of various business laws, including company laws, Contract Act, and other relevant legislation. Company laws. Company laws, also known as corporate laws, govern the formation, management, and dissolution of companies. The main objectives of company laws are to regulate the incorporation and registration of companies, define the rights and responsibilities of shareholders, directors, and employees, govern the management and administration of companies, regulate the raising of capital and the distribution of profits, provide for the winding up and dissolution of companies. Key provisions of company laws include Memorandum of Association MOA and Articles of Association AOA. Share capital, shares, and shareholdings patterns. Board of Directors, their powers and responsibilities. Meetings, resolutions, and voting procedures, accounts, audit, and financial reporting requirements. Contract Act. The Contract Act governs the formation, performance, and breach of contracts. A contract is an agreement between two or more parties creating obligations that are enforceable by law. The Contract Act defines the essential elements of a valid contract, including offer and acceptance, consideration, intention to create legal relations, capacity to contract, legality of the object. Key provision of the Contract Act include formation of contracts, offer, acceptance, and consideration, performance of contracts, obligations, duties, and liabilities, breach of contract, consequences, damages, and remedies, discharge of contracts, performance, breach, and impossibility. Consumer Protection Act. The Consumer Protection Act aims to protect consumers from unfair trade practices, defective products, and deficient services. The Act defines the rights of consumers, including right to safety, right to information, right to choose, right to be heard, right to redresses. Key provisions of the Consumer Protection Act include definition of consumer and consumer rights, unfair trade practices and misleading advertisements, product liability and defective products, consumer disputes and redressal mechanisms. Intellectual property law. Intellectual property law protect the rights of creators and innovators, including patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. The main objectives of intellectual property laws are to encourage innovation and creativity, protect the rights of creators and innovators, promote fair competition and trade practices. Key provisions of intellectual property laws include patents, definition, types and procedures, trademarks, definition, types and procedures, copyrights, definition, types and procedures, trade secrets, definition, protection and enforcement. In conclusion, business laws provide the framework for commercial transactions governing the relationships between businesses, customers, employees, and stakeholders. Understanding these laws is essential for businesses to operate efficiently, minimize risks, and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Key takeaways: business laws govern commercial transactions and relationships. Company laws regulate the formation, management, and dissolution of companies. Contract Act governs the formation, performance, and breach of contracts. Consumer Protection Act provides consumers from unfair trade practices and defective products. Intellectual property laws protect the rights of creators and innovators. Thank you for seeing this video. Please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.